to buy the video game. Mom, are you sure you want to spend all of your money? Nina, I think it's fun to spend money, don't you? Finish.
Okay, පුතා. Okay, very good. පුතා next Tarusha. Tarusha මට message එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. පුතේ කලින් කවරේ message එක වුණා. ඒ ටික මොකක් කරලා loss වෙලා තියෙනවා. මට අද එකක් ගාලා එවන්න. Tarusha.
My country is name is Sri Lanka. It is an island which is also known as the tail of the Indian Ocean. My country is
Okay.
small but beautiful. There are wonderful rivers and jungles. There are many ancient and historic places in my country.
Okay, පුතා. Yes, ඔයාගේ mistakes දෙයක් වුණා. island කියන එකයි pearl එක. ඒක හදා ගන්න. Okay, someone else. තව ready නම් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Any of you chances are given.
Can I tell?
Sure. Okay, Sayumi පුතේ message එකක් දාන්න හැමෝම මට. ඒතර මම next දෙනවා. Okay, ගුණි තමයි next message එක.
Value of trees. Trees are the only security of the earth. Trees are useful to both men and animals. Trees provide us various types of our necessity. Food, medicine, and timber are some of them. Trees save us from the harmful rays of the sun. We get rain because of trees, which play an important role in the water cycle. The environment becomes a lovely world because of trees.
Okay, finish. Very good. පුතා වගේ කවුලක timber එක timber. The word can timber. Okay, පුතේ දිනුති message එක. පුතේ yes පුතේ දිනුති message එක දාලා දිනුති ඊට පස්සේ සයිමු ඊට පස්සේ අනිත් message එකක් දාන්න කළා. Yes මතිල මොකද්ද? what මතිල?
සර් මං කියන්නේ නැති කියලා අහන්න නේද?
පුතා messages වලින් බැලුවොත් දිනුති ඊට පස්සේ සයිමු තමයි now art next එන්න. Okay, now we start. Dinuti, do you have anything to tell? Dinuti, I'm asking you.
Ravi, hello, can I speak to Anuj? Asha, Anuj is not at home right now. Who is speaking? Ravi, this is Ravi, his friend. May I know who is on the line? Asha, this is Asha. Asha, his sister. Ravi, hello Asha, where has Anuj gone? Anuj has gone to his week phone the class. Ravi, okay, can you please give me a message? Asha, sure, tell me. Ravi, we have a special class tomorrow morning to ask him to reach school half an hour earlier. Please don't forget. Asha, I won't. Anything else? No. Ravi, no, thank you, bye. Asha, bye. Finish.
අගුදා හරි මෙමයි දෙන්න දැන් මට ඒ මැසේජ් විදියට මම කියන්නේ messages බලලා සයුමි මතිල ඉමායා හිරුනි. Okay, now go in that order. Amen.
I'm going to speak about today tissue culture. Tissue culture means in vitro maintenance and propagation of isolated cells, tissues, or organs in an appropriate artificial environment. This tissue culture was founded by Mr. Haberland in 1902 from his experiments by tissue culture. It is hormones. They use phytokinase hormone to promote the plantlet RNA synthesis and to simulate their protein and enzyme activities. Mainly, we can divide tissue culture into two groups. It is animal tissue culture and plant tissue culture. Plant tissue, when we are talking about plant tissue culture, it means vitro maintenance and propagation of isolated cells, tissues, or organs in an appropriate artificial environment to produce clones of plants. And then animal tissue culture means process of culturing animal tissues extracted from tissues or organs under in vitro respiratory control environment. Uh, commonly, commonly about 10 to 14 weeks, tissue culture need to cultivate. Um, and when we are talking about the materials which are needed to cultivate by tissue culture, there should be sterile distilled water, agar, sucrose, small amounts of sodium hydroxide and acid hydrochloric to adjust the pH limit. And also we need a flat bottom culture tube. Okay, when we are
Excuse me, sir. මට මේ පොඩි network කවුලක් වෙලා මාව මේ ගියා.
Uday, one is speaking, so put a message. Uday, okay, sir, you continue.
When we are moving to the advantages and disadvantages, this tissue culture also have so many advantages and also disadvantages. When we are first talking about, if we're talking about advantages, the very first advantage is new clones can be grown in a short amount of a time. And also we need a small amount of initial plants and small place. And also this is more likely to be free of viruses and diseases. And the next one is tissue culture does not depend on any time season. We can do it all over the year. So it will be help to develop our economy likewise. And also from tissue culture, new varieties can be supplied to the consumer market. And also we can use tissue culture to promote the rare species or endangered ones. And then present researchers have found that so many people like to cultivate via tissue culture. And also I should say tissue culture is also known as micropropagation. When tissue culture also have disadvantages as well. The first disadvantage is it needs more labor and it needs more labor and more money.
Yeah,
and
it is costly.
Also
Yeah.
Those plants are less resistant to diseases because of the environment that they grow. And also if we follow the correct procedures, we can achieve this success. And also the success rate will be high, but the success is not guaranteed. So as you can see, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. So I think this is a good one to use in society. And also in animal tissue culture, there are so many applications such as model systems, toxicity testing, cancer research, virology, cell-based manufacturing, genetic counseling, genetic engineering, gene therapy, and drug screening, etc. So according to my speech, I think tissue culture has more advantages than disadvantages. So I think it is good to use in every country. Thank you.
Okay, very good. We can talk this on further in Friday's class, because there we can discuss, have an argument about these matters. Okay. Now Mathila, now it's you. Adivita.
Okay, sir. My favorite sportsman is Kumar Sangakkara. He is a great cricketer. He was the former captain of the Sri Lankan national cricket team. Sangakkara is one of the best batsmen in international cricket. He has scored more than 11,000 runs in both Test and One-Day international cricket so far. He has also won many international awards like Test Cricketer of the Year. He is an all-rounder. During his school days, he excelled both in sports and studies. He is a good orator too. Kumar Sangakkara is a legend in Sri Lanka in cricket. He is a credit to his sport and our country. Thank you.
Okay, පුතා. Now ඉමායා පුතේ බලන්න ඕගලන්ට මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ නම් ලිස්ට් එක දානවා මම ආපු ගමන් ඒ තමයි යන ඕඩර් එක. ඉමායා හිරුණු තරුෂ මම ටගලා මැසේජ් එකක්. පුතේ මෙහාන්න තව දෙයක්. හරිද? එක එක්කෙනාගේ ලෙවල් එක වෙනස්. කෙනෙක්ට දෙයක් බලාගෙන කියන්න වෙයි. කෙනෙක්ට පොඩි මේ වචන 10ක 15ක කියා ගන්නත් අමාරුයි. සමහර කෙනෙක්ට පුතේ easy. එක දිගට මුකුත් බලන්න දැන් ඔය සවිමි කිසි දෙයක් බලන්න පුතා තනියෙන් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් ගන්නට ඉම්ප්‍රූව් වෙලා තියෙන කෙනෙක්. ඒතර ඒක ඇවිල්ලා ඒක යාගේ ස්කිල් එක යාගේ ලෙවල් එක යා කිසි දෙයක් බලන්න නැතුව යාට මං කිව්වොත් එimhe පැයක් කතානේ පැයක් කතා කරන්න ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. මට ඒ ගානට ඉම්ප්‍රූව් වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ ගානට කියන්නේ මොකද දවසෙන් බෑ. හරි එතකොට ඒකට it takes time. ඒක වෙලාව යනවා. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ඒගොල්ලෝ දාන මහන්සිය කියන්නේ effort එක බලපානවා. තමන් කොච්චර මහන්සි වෙනවද කියලා මේ සඳහා. ඉතින් ඒක නිසා තමන්ට පුළුවන් මට්ටමින් පටන් ගන්න තමන්ට පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය කතා කරන්න. බලාගෙන හරි කමන්නේ කලින් දවසේ රීඩින් එකක් මොන හරි පොතක තියෙන පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක් බලාගෙන ඩයලොග් එකක් බලාගෙන එසේ එකක් බලාගෙන කිව්වත් කමන්නේ නැහැ. මේ ටියුට් එකක් තියෙනවනේ. කලින් දවසේ බලාගෙන හරි කමන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. කාලයත් එක්ක බලාගෙන කිරින නැවතිලා අපි පාඩම් කරලා දෙන ග්‍රමාණය තනියෙන් හිතලා කතා කරන එක ඕ ටික ඉම්ප්‍රූව් වී යනවා. ආරම්භයක් විදිහට පොඩි පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක් බලාගෙන හරි කියන්න. ස්ටාර්ට් නොකළොත් you never speak no. ආරම්භයක් නැත්නම් කවදාකවත් ඒකෙන් ප්‍රගතියක් නැහැ නේ පුතේ. ඒ චැලෙන්ජ් එක ගන්න. Okay now ඉමායා.
Okay, sir. Once upon a time, in a town far away, there lived a rich merchant who had 3 pretty daughters. The youngest daughter was the prettiest of the 3, and she was called Beauty. She was as good and kind as she was lovely. Her elder sisters allowed they to wear a pretty. There are neither kind nor good. They were selfish and proud. One day their father came home looking very grave when his daughters asked him what was the matter. He replied, also, I am no longer rich. I have lost my fortune. We must all leave these beautiful houses and go to live in the cottage in the country. Finish, sir.
Okay, පුතා now හිරුණි. Yes, Hiruni, you can start, Hiruni.
My hobby
Hiruni මොකක් කරාගේ මයික් එකේ ඉෂුව එකක් පුතේ ඇහෙන්න තියෙනවා.
is the badminton coach guide us to do badminton. I practice it every Monday afternoons. I participate in lot of tournaments and gain medals and awards. My parents are also very happy about my talents and it's a very good game to build up my personality. Thank you, sir.
Okay පුතා now තරුෂ පොඩක් මෙහාන්න තරුෂට පස්සේ සෙනෝල් ගුවනි අගස්ත්‍රි නෙත්ම සෙතුනි ඒ කට්ටිය chance එකක් ගත්තේ නැත්නම් සෙනුල්ට මේ කවුද මතිලට යනවා මොකද මැසේජ් දාපු කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා සමහරවිට එකපාරක් දැම්ම අර මගේ මැසේජ් ලොස් වෙන්න කලින් මම කිව්වා මගේ මැසේජ් ලොස් වෙලා ආයෙ හරි ගියා කියලා ඒ වෙලාවේ ඒක දාපු ටික නැතුව ගියා ඒකයි okay තරුෂ now you තරුෂ okay start.
My village is Moratua. It is in the Colombo district and it is beautiful and clean. It has many hospitals, shops, restaurant, school, temple and libraries. The grammar sevaka of my village is Samanlal. There are many people in my village which is famous for wood craft. My village has a lake and in near the sea. I love my village very much. Thank you.
ඔකේ පුතා. පුතේ next ඉන්නේ නෙත්ම message එකක් දාලා තිනවා. මේ අහන්න පුතේ මට මේ දෙයක් කියන්න ඕනේ ආයි පාරක්. හරිද? Taman පළවෙනි දවස වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Taman කලින් කවදාකම ඔක රීඩින් කරලා නැති වෙන පුළුවන් පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක්. Taman difficult වෙන්න පුළුවන්, වර්ධින්න පුළුවන් no matters. මම issue එකක් කරගන්න try කරන්නයි මට ඕනේ. පොඩි චූටි පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක් බලාගෙන කියන්න කිව්වන් ඒක පුතේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකේ තියෙන ඒවා මේකේ තියෙන ඒවා මේ මුකුත් බැරනම් චූටින් පැරග්‍රාෆ් එකක් මොනවා හරි කමන්නේ. පොඩි ඩයලොග් එකක් මොනවා හරි කමන්නේ. Okay now නෙත්ම start.
I think Jeff Bezos is one of the best and most talented person in the world. Complete his education, achieving his target, becoming the richest and ever is no easy. That's one of the hard tasks. He must not only be appreciated by, but also respected because he was achieved his target by defeating Bill Gates, the longest time richest person in the world. His new project are also somewhat massive. The space project are unvaluable too.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, now Matila.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, කියන්නද?
Sure, Buddha, start. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. My favorite storybook. My favorite storybook is Madal Duwa. It is a novel written by the famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later, Upali becomes a kind, hard-working young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Thank you.
හරි පුතේ මට නම දාපු ගමන් මැසේජ් එක මම chance දෙනවා. තරුෂ තමයි ඊළඟට දෙන්නේ. මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලෝ ටක් ගාලා එක්ක unmute කරන්න එක්ක hand එක raise කරන්න. නැත්නම් කතා කරලා සර් මෙයයි කියලා අහන්න. එතකොට මොන හරි දෙන්න chance. Okay තරුෂ you can start. තරුෂ start okay.
I am a Patu. My class is grade 6. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are a lot of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and the teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color and there is a steel cupboard in the corner of the room. There is a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to cupboard. There is no clean fan, but there are two big windows. Finish.
Okay පුතා sure. පුතේ මට messages ආව පිළිවෙලට මම මේ දෙන්නේ. messages ඇවිල්ලා තිනවා තරුණ්ස්ට පස්සේ ඇවිල්ලා තිබුණා ඉමායාගෙන් ඊට පස්සේ සෙතුනි රෑන්ඩ් වෙස් කල් දෙරි ඊට පස්සේ මතිල. Okay මේ පිළිවෙලට යන්න. ඉමායා සෙතුනි then මතිල. Yes ඉමායා. ඉමායා chance ගන්න තමයි මම දෙනවා සෙතුනිට ඊළඟට.
Okay, sir.
Start. Okay, start.
The merchant was hungry and decided that he would first take his horse to her stable. Then he would return, and if there was still no one in the room, he would give a good meal. When he returned from the stable, the room was still empty, so he sat down and enjoyed the supper. After supper, Beauty's father fell sleepily and crossing the hall, he found a bedroom all ready for use. He went to the bed and slept soundly uniquely. The next morning, finished, sir.
Okay පුතා very good. හරි පුතේ මෙහෙමයි. පුතේ මේකත් මේ කීප දෙනෙක් දාලා තියෙන ඉඳ ප්‍රශ්න එකපාරක් කිව්වා කියලා නෑ පුතේ ඕන තරම් chance එකක් දෙනවා. ඕන තරම් chance එකක්. හොඳේ. දැන් list එකේ ඉන්නේ මායා පිනිෂ්නා සෙතුනි. ඕන chance එකක් message එකක් දැම්මොත් දෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ තරුෂ. මේ list එක අනුව යන්න. Okay. Okay now සෙතුනි. You can start සෙතුනි.
My favorite book. My favorite story book is Madol Duwa. It is a novel writing by the famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later, Upali becomes a kind, hardworking young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much.
Okay පුතා very good. පුතේ මායා message එකක් දාන්න පුතේ කතා කරනකොට මට ඒක පුතාට disturb වෙන මම ඒකට කතා කරන්නේ.
මම message එකක් දැම්මා B කියන එකේ තේරුම.
B කියන්නේ පුතේ ඇම්මිස්සා කියන එක තමයි. B කියන්නේ ඇම්මිස්සා කියන එක තමයි. Okay. next ඉන්නේ මතිල.
දැන් තැනක ලියලා තිබ්බොත් B කියලා ඒකේ තේරුම් ගන්න කිව්වොත් කොහොමද ලියන්න ඕනේ? සිංහල
තේරුම ලියන්න පුතේ අමාරු ටික. වෙනවා කියන දවස් තමයි B කියන්නේ වෙනවා.
වෙනවා.
Excuse me sir දැන් මම කියන්නද?
Okay you yes.
begin ඒවා
Okay sir එහෙනම් මම කියනවා.
පොඩක් කියනවා මතිල. yes ඉමායා මොකද පුතේ ඉමායා?
B කියන්නේ වෙනවා නම් begin
පුතේ මෙහානකෝ දැන් B කියලා අපි ලේසියෙන් ලියන්නේ නැහැ තැනක. නමුත් B කියලා කියන එක ලිව්වොත් මේ වගේ තැනක මුල් දාන්නකෝ he wants to be අන්නේ වගේ ඔහුට වෙන්න ඕනි කියන දාස. හරිද? එහෙම නැත්නම් දාන්නේ I am Missa තමයි.
ඕකේ සර් මං එන ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහලා මට නිකන් පාඩම් කරන්න ෆොටෝ කොපි එකක් දීලා තියෙන ඉස්කෝලේ. ඒකේ තියෙනවා B.
හරි පුතේ හරි දැන් ඊළඟ මතිල තරුෂ ඊළඟ ගුවනි.
Okay. මං කියනවා sir.
හරි පුතේ message ආවම chance එක දෙනවා.
Flying kites. Flying kites is a popular pastime in our country. There are kites of different shapes, colors, and sizes. Cobra and peacock shaped kites are most popular among children. August is the best season for flying kites in Sri Lanka because it is dry and windy. Furthermore, most children have their school holidays in August. This gives them much time to fly kites and have fun. Making a kite is easy and inexpensive. Kites can be made using the midrib of coconut leaflets or bamboo sticks, tissue papers, cotton twine, and glue. It is believed that the first kite was made in China. In the past, kites were used in war to send signals to their troops. Even today, the Chinese consider the kite as a symbol of good fortune. Thank you.
Okay පුතා. පුතේ මම දැන් ඔන්න ලිස්ට් එක දාලා තියෙනවා. මතිල ඊට පස්සේ තරුෂ ගුවනි සයෝමි අගස්ට්‍රියා ඔය පිළිවෙලට එන්න.
Can I speak now?
Sure පුතා.
My favorite story book is Madol Duwa. It is novel written by famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later Upali becomes kind, hardworking young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Finish.
Okay, Buta. Very good. Okay, now Guani, then Sayumi, then Agasti, then Isuru. Okay.
Sir, mama රේෂියට hand එක දැම්මා.
හරි පුතේ එතන ඊළඟට එනවා. Okay.
Value of the internet. It is obvious that almost everything in the world has advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, the internet also has advantages and disadvantages. In recent times, more disadvantages have been reported in the press. Some school children committed suicide because of the some parts of this internet, especially Facebook. Due to the advancement of technology, small children can also operate a computer. Older children spend much of their time sitting on front of the computer browsing the internet. As the result, most of the children have vision problems. That's all, sir.
Okay, පුතා very good. Okay. Now Sayumi මම දානවා පුතේ දැන් ආපු message ඔක්කොම කට්ටිය list එකට දානවා මේ. Okay, Sayumi.
මම දැම්මා.
හරි පුතේ ඔයාත් දාන්න list එකට. හරි. මම ආවත් දැක්කේ නැහැ තාම ඉන්න බලන්න. ඔව්.
මම මේ ෆොටෝ එකක් දැම්මා.
තාම බලන්න. හරි sure. හරි okay Sayumi you can start.
Sports play a major role in every human's life. Because if we don't engage in any sport, we will definitely face a health problem. We can see that in present society also. Sports are not only important to just a single person, it is important to the whole society because of it build up it teaches us how to work with unity, work with the team, and also it develop our corporate qualities and such as huge number of qualities it develop in a personality. I think also as it from ancient times, sports have been a major role of kingdoms in many kingdoms and tribes, and also it was a major means of entertainment. And also so many kingdoms and tribes have take their important decisions on the basis of the outcome of some sporting events, as we all know. And also also doing sports helps us to maintain a healthy body, and it helps us to keeps our blood circulation very well, and also it helps us to keep our every system, every part in our body. When we are talking the international helps of sports, as we can see like LPL matches, IPL matches, and all league matches likewise, it develop everyone's international cooperation, how to work with the other countries, and how to work with in our team members, and how to cooperate with the defense team likewise. So I think sports play a major role in our life, so it is a need.
අద్භుත very good. Okay, now Agasti, then Isuru, Matila, Hiruni, Tarusha. මට ආපු වීඩියෝ එක මම දාලා තින්නේ. සා එකපාරක් කතා කරපු කෙනාට ඕන තරම් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් ආයි මට මැසේජ් එකක් දැම්මොත්. now Agasti පුතේ. Agasti පස්සේ Isuru, Agasti. Isuru පොඩ තප්පලා දෙන්න පුතේ. Agasti.
My favorite bird is parrot. It is small bird. Its have beautiful body and its color is green. It has a sharp red beak. Parrots have beautiful feathers. They live in holes in trees and eat fruits and grains. It is dog-like bird. The parrot has two brown colored legs. We can train it imitate some words. Some people think they can talk. They actually can imitate some words they hear. There are various types of parrots in different countries. They are red, yellow, green, blue, and white in colors. Children like parrots very much and keep them as pets because they are colorful and pretty. But keeping them in cages as pets is not good. They should be able to roam freely wherever they like. But some stupid people cage them and keep as pets. Anyway, this colorful and pretty bird is my favorite bird, and I love to save to them from caging. Anyway, this colorful and pretty bird is my favorite bird, but I never keep in them in a cage. Thank you very much.
Good, very good. Okay, now is Ru.
My village is Pelavatta. It is in the Kalutara district and it is beautiful and clear. It has many hospitals, shops, restaurants, schools, temples and libraries. The Grama Sevaka of my village is Samanal. There are many people in my village which is famous for wood crave. My village has a lake and is near the sea. I love my village very much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bhutan. Now Hiruni. Sorry, now Matila. Matila passe Hiruni. Yes, sorry, Matila. Now you.
Hello, sir.
Hiruni, Matila passe undi kaman everything. Sorry. Okay, now Matila.
Okay, sir. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood lived in a wood with her mother. One day, Little Red Riding Hood went to visit her granny. She had a nice cake in her basket. On her way, Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf. "Hello," said the wolf. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see my grandmother. She lives in a house behind those trees." The wolf ran to Granny's house and ate Granny up. He got into Granny's bed. A little later, Little Red Riding Hood reached the house. She looked at the wolf. "Granny, what big eyes you have!" "All the better to see you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big ears you have!" "All the better to hear you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what a big nose you have!" "All the better to smell you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big teeth you have!" "All the better to eat you with," shouted the wolf. A woodcutter was in the wood. He heard a loud scream and ran to the house. The woodcutter hit the wolf over the head. The wolf opened his mouth wide and shouted, and Granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and Little Red Riding Hood never saw the wolf again. Thank you.
Okay, then now Hiruni, Tarusha, Imaya. Mata ewana පිළිවෙලට පුතිය හැමෝම second chance ගන්නේ third ඕන තරම් chance ගන්න පුළුවන් දෙනවා. හරි ඕන තරම් chance දෙනවා message එකක් විතරයි දාන්න ටක් ගලන් ඕගොල්ලෝ. ඒතර මම දෙනවා. Okay, now Hiruni. Hiruni, you can start.
Our English day at school. We held our English Day on 27th February and it was a wonderful day for all of us. The chief guest was Mrs. Jayanti Kurutumpala, the first Sri Lankan woman who climbed Mount Everest. We started the event at 9 a.m. in the morning after welcoming the chief guest. There were so many items, such as dramas, plays, group songs, solo performance, etc. All the students enjoyed a lot and they performed their items well on the stage. Even the chief guest also surprised to see their talents and she praised the students a lot and wished them for their future. Our English teacher as well as the other teachers helped us a lot to practice our items just because of their guardians and advice. We were able to make the event a success. Finish, sir.
Okay, Vita, very good. Okay, sure. Now Tarusha. Putih anik katiya tika para kata dulu. Chance kai ganna. Okay, Tarusha start.
It is fine Saturday afternoon. The sun shining brightly. Nipun and his friend Vignesh, Situli, Rizvi and Amanda are in the park with their families. Rizvi is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother is riding a pony. This is first pony ride. His father is walking beside him. Nice, him smiling happy. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket. Vignesh is batting and Nipun bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters Sharon and Rebecca and playing on a sea shell. Situli is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream. Finish.
Okay, Vita. Malis tika dal dini putih balane mama. Now Imaya, Matila, Guwani, sai මේ list එක මට message එකක් හෝ hand raise එක විතරයි ඕනේ පුතේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ chance එකක් ගන්න. දැන් තාම ගත්තේ නැති SNUL එක chance එකක් ගත්තේ නැහැ. Agasti only once වඩ පුළුවන් අය කතා කරන්න. ඉසුරු එතකොට නෙත්ම සෙතුනි yes පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඕන කෙනෙක් chance එක දෙනවා. Okay Maya, now you can start. Yes.
මේ please සර් මම තාම ready වෙන මට මේ මතිලට පස්සේ chance එක දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
sure පුතේ මොකක් හරි sure පුතේ තරුෂ මොකක්ද ඇහුවේ?
ඊට පස්සේ මම අපෝ කියන්නද සර්?
sure පුතේ අනිවාර්යෙන් ඕන තරම් chance එක දෙන්න බයින්න එපා. Okay. මෙම ඔව් මතිල sure මට තාම දෙන්න මතිල.
සර් මම මේ අපි මම දැන් මේ දෙබසක් හැදුවා ඒක වුණත් කමක් නැහැ.
කමන්නේ පුතේ හරි මට තප්පරයක් දෙන්න. පුතේ මම ටාගට් කරන්නේ ඕන තරම් chance දීලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කතා කරවන්න. මොකද හේතුව chances opportunities අවස්ථාවක් තමයි අපිට මොන හරි දෙයක් දිනු කරගන්න ඕනි වෙන්නේ. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගන්න. උපරිම මහන්සි වෙන්න. මම ඕන තරම් chances දෙනවා. ඕන තරම් කතා කරන්න අවස්ථාවක් දෙනවා. Okay? මට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ එක්කෙනෙක් කතා කරලා දැන් ආයෙ දෙන්න බෑ. එහෙම මගේ තර්ක නෑ. chance එක වැඩිපුර ගන්න කෙනා opportunities අවස්ථාවාදියෙක් කියලා තව කෙනෙක් කියනවා. නමුත් එයා තමයි ඉක්මනට improve වෙන කෙනා. අනෙක් එයා කතා කරන්නේ නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලෝගේ පැත්ත. Okay. නමුත් මතිල, ඉමායා, ගුවනි, සයිමි.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I speak now?
Sure පුතේ. Sure.
ඊට පස්සේ මම කියන්නද?
Okay තමයි දෙන්න වඩා හයි. Okay sure.
Kumaratunga Munidasa. Munidasa Kumaratunga was born on 25th July 1887. He was a writer, poet, journalist and grammarian. He wrote many Sinhala storybooks. Hinsaraya, Magul Kama and Kiyavana Nuwana are some of them. These books are popular among children even today. Munidasa Kumaratunga founded the Ella Howler
yes.
movement to promote the correct usage of the Sinhala language. He wrote Sinhala grammar books and had a wide knowledge of other languages like Tamil, teacher, principal, and school inspector. This eminent scholar passed away on 2nd March 1944. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Now, Imaya.
Okay, sir. Amaya, how are you? Hiruni, I am fine. Amaya, these days are what are you doing, Hiruni? Hiruni, nothing special, but I am added to new English class. Amaya, congratulations, Hiruni. Hiruni, thank you, Amaya. Amaya, okay, bye. Okay, bye, Hiruni. Hiruni, okay, bye, Amaya. Thank you.
Very
Finish,
good.
sir.
Okay, sure. Very good. Okay, very nice. Okay, now. Yes, Buddha.
Sir?
Yes. Wow, very good. Fantastic. මම මේ දාලා දෙන්න මට මැසේජ් එක පිළිවෙලට දාලා තිනේ හැමෝටම chance එක දෙන්න.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, මං හදාගත්ත දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ දෙකක් ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවා, sir.
Okay, you can speak then. Then Guvani, now Guvani, Sayumi, Tarusha, Agastri, Matila then. Okay.
Value of sports. Sports are useful for our lives. There are advantages in doing sports. Sport help us to develop our personality and keep our body and mind strong and healthy. Any child likes to play. There are many sports of children, such as swimming, netball, volleyball, football, table tennis, and cricket. Some sports are played indoors and other outdoors. Sports help the physical development of children and adults. They help to develop good human qualities such as leadership, responsibility, and courage. Children must have a time to play as well as to study. People who do sports have a chance to meet people from other countries when they participate in international events. We can learn many things about these countries and their nationalities. We can meet many famous sportsmen and women too. Finish, sir.
Okay, Puta. Now Sayumi, then Tarusha, then Nagashri, Matila, Imaya ඔය කඩයන් තව ඔය කතා නොකරපුවට තව එක chance එකක් ඊට පස්සේ ඕන නම් දිලා ඊට පස්සේ නවත්තනවා. දැන්ට කතා නොකරපුව බයින් යන වැඩි කතා කරන්නේ නැත්තේ. by name නම්මින්ම කියනවා සෙනුල්. හිරුන්ට ඕන chance එකක් දෙන්නම්. ඉසුරු, මෙත්න, සෙතුනි.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yes.
මට මේ ස්කූල් එකේ ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවා. මම දැන් ලියුණාට කමක් නැද්ද?
හරි පුතේ, sure okay පුතා. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Right, now Sayumi, Tarusha, Adashri, Matila, next Hiruni, Hiruni message ada mena Hiruni. Emma මට ඩග්ගල ඔය අනික් කටියට chance එකක් දෙන්න ඉතින් නවත්තනවා. දැන් කතාරු නැති අයට okay වැඩි. Okay, Sayumi, you can start.
Traveling is one of the most enriching activities in our lives. For some, traveling is a hobby, but almost all the people travel rarely due to lack of time and resources. But I think it's a much needed action. Those who travel, they can experience new things, new places, new cultures, and new ways of living likewise. So I think every person should feel that unique experience by traveling. And also not only that entertainmental values, it is also have educational values. It enriches our knowledge and widens our outlook. So I think that's why widely traveled person can be identified from his broad outlook on life. And also we cannot ignore the value of traveling because by experiencing new places, new things, new cultures, all new things, it refreshes everyone's mind. So I think traveling is very essential to every human being. Thank you.
Aguta, Saimi Ranvira, very good. Okay, Saimi. Now,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
Sir, මට මේ කවුද මේ හිරුනිද දන්නේ මේ එයාට පස්සේ ආයි chance එකක් දෙනවද sir?
පුතේ අපි next එකකට දාමු. මොකද නම් මට ආයි 9 class එකක් තියෙනවා. මේක finish කරලා ගෙදර ගිහලා ආයි 9 class එකක් පටන් ගන්න ඕනි. ඔක්කොම ලෑස්ති වෙලා. ඒකයි හොඳේ. 9 to 11
Okay, sir.
එකක් තියෙනවා. 11:45 වෙනකම් උදේ ඉඳන් දැන් උදේ 8ට වගේ පටන් ගත්තේ අද. 11:45 වෙනකම් class අද මට. Okay, now Tarusha, Agashri, Matila, Hiruni, ඕන මං chance එකක් ආයි දෙනවා. Tarusha මට අපර දෙන්න Tarusha ඊට පස්සේ ඕනනම් chance එකක් මං ආයි දෙනවා කිව්වා. ඉසුරුට netමට නිම්සරගේ mic එක වැඩ නැහැ කිව්වනේ අද සෙතුනි. ඔය කට්ටියට chance එක දෙනවා. Okay. Others ඕනනම් live වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, now Tarusha.
My name is Piruli. I live in Panadura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvini. My father's name is Rasika. I like pink moth. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be scientist one day. My name is Upendran Subramaniam and I am 10 years old. I am from Jaffna. I am a grade 6 student of the Jaffna College. My father is Rakesh and my mother name is Parvati. They are teachers. I have 2 sisters. My favorite food is idli. I like playing chess. Orange is my favorite color. My favorite subject is mathematics. My ambition is to be an engineer one day. Finish, sir.
Aguta. Now පුතේ බලන්න මම list එක Tarusha ට පස්සේ yes පුතා Tarusha.
ඉස්කෝලේ ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවා මම ලිව් වෙන්නද?
Okay, sure පුතේ. Okay. Okay, bye then. Good night. Agashri, Matila, Hiruni, Isuru, Setuni. ඔය chance එක ඊට පස්සේ අනිත් අය ටක් ගාලා සෙනුල් ඕන නම් සෙනුල්ටත් ඊළඟට දානවා සෙනුල්ලා නම් තව netම කතා කරේ නෑ ඒකටත් දෙනවා chance එකක්. හරි.
Siri and his wife. Siri is a poor man. He and his wife live in a chain. Siri works hard. He works in the chain every day. He grows kurakan, jingoli and vegetables. Siri's wife helps her husband in the chain. They work hard during the rainy season. They do not work hard during the dry season. It is hot in September. The rains come in October. Siri clears the jungle. He collects the leaves and branches. Then he burns them. He makes a fence round the chain. Then he sows the seeds.
Okay, with that. No, but so continue. Chena cultivation come on, puthe වැරදි ඒවා ගණන් ගන්න එපා. Continue. Okay, sure. Okay. No matter.
The plants come up. Wild animals come to the chain at night. Monkeys and birds come during the day. They destroy the plants. Siri looks after the chain day and night. In February, the crops are ready. Siri and his wife take the vegetables to the fair. They take the kurakan and jingoli too. They sell them at the fair. Thank you very much.
Okay. පුතේ පොඩි pronunciation mistakes වෙනකොට මම ඒවා ගණන් ගන්න යන්න මොකද basic කවදින් ඉඳලා සමහර අයගේ. හරි okay. Now
excuse me sir, may I speak now?
Sure. Matila, Hiruni, Isuru, Setuni. තව කවර ඉන්නවනම් chance එක මට දාන්න කරලා chance එක දෙන්න. වැඩි කතා කරමු ඇති අය.
Okay sir, may I speak?
Sure, start.
My favorite sport. The sport of basketball is known as a fun pastime for any person, young or old. Basketball is a great way of exercise and a great way to have fun with friends and possibly make some new ones. I love to watch and play the game. Basketball is a very entertaining sport and can be played by anyone. Basketball has many negative and positive things about it based on my opinion. Basketball is known as a good pastime in many people's eyes, but can also be seen as a passion for many others. Basketball is my opinion the best thing I can do with my friends to have fun while burning a few calories. I see basketball as a fun and easy way to have fun rather than sitting on the couch all day playing video games or watching television. There are many reasons why I love to play the game of basketball, but I also love to watch the game also. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Now, Hiruni, Suru, Setuni, then Simon, then finishing. Na, I got a chance. Okay.
My favorite game is cricket in a team. I practice cricket every Wednesday after school. I learn to learn. I like cricket very much because I improve my personality doing cricket.
Putih wangi makan ini connection issue kan bisa sama orang hunnya kemana putih anyway it's okay. Now Isuru, Setuni, Sami, then finishing na.
Myself. My name is Isru Tejan. I am 10 years old. I live in Piliyandila. I study at Somavira Chandasiri Vidyalaya. I am in grade 5. My father is Mr. Tusita. He is a businessman. My mother is Mrs. Nisansala. She is housewife. I like to eat oranges. I don't like bananas. My hobby is reading English storybooks. My best friend is Tinule. My ambition is to be a pilot one day.
Okay, very good. Now, Setuni, you can start Setuni, Sayumi, then Netma, then finish it. I want to put the limit current slow. Me, I do not want to time maker. Okay, Setuni, you can start Setuni.
Senagi's diary. Yesterday was a very enjoyable day. Our family was at home as it was a holiday. I got up at 6:30 in the morning. We had our breakfast together. Then my sister and I cleaned our room. We helped father to weed the garden too. Mother prepared a delicious meal and we enjoyed it. After lunch, we all watched a family movie. It was an interesting adventure story. In the evening, father played badminton with us. Mother sat outside and watched us play. After that, I did homework. My sister helped me with it. Then we all had dinner and went to bed.
Okay, very good. Putih wangi put issues. Tiba-tiba kamarnya bagan anggan nih pak. Mang orang kira chance kita nanti issues fitting kata akan muling. Pasti aku put hadagang. Okay, Sayumi, Netma.
My favorite time of the day. My favorite time of the day is morning. I like morning very well, and also I like to watch the sun rising among the mountains and blooming flowers, and also I like to hear birds chirping. Usually I wake up in the morning and do my studies and watch television. solutions. And also in the morning, it comes so many positive thoughts about the day to my heart. So I love every morning very much. Thank you.
Okay, now Netma තව කාටද chance එකක් ඕන නම් කතා නොකරපු අය වැඩි කියන්න පුළුවන් ඉක්මනට. Okay, Netma.
The sale of purported anti-aging products such as supplement and hormone replacing is a lucrative global industry. For example, the industry promoted the use of hormones as a treatment for consumers to slow or reduce the aging process. Is the US market generated about 50 billion of revenues years in 2009. The use of the such product, however, has not been proven to the effective or
safe.
Very
good. Very good. Okay, now කාටද chance එකක් ඕනද වැඩි කතා කරමු නැති අයට finish කරන්න කලින් ඕනේද? සෙනුල්ට next week කියලා සෙතුනිට ඕන නම් පුළුවන්. නිම්සර්ණී කාටද එක chance එකක් ඕනද දෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ finish කරනවා. Yes, any of you? Right, okay, as no one is going to take a chance today, then we are going to finish. Bye, see you next day, lamai. Good night.